Snipers, you have to see what's happening to the Bitcoin price this Tuesday. As we saw a daily candle high above 59,000 US dollars yesterday. And I've been saying that 58,300 is the most important resistance level that we have to get above. But as we all know, on the 4-hour, we didn't get a full candle confirmation above 58,300. But I do want to talk about the fact that on the Ichimoku cloud, look what's happening. We are now finding support where we were previously rejected here. And this is a huge positive for the bulls, because at this point, the fact that we're maintaining price action close to 58,300, even seeing candles come above 59,000, what more could the bulls ask for right now inside of this consolidation to give us the potential opportunity to get back above this extremely important resistance of 58,300? And we have a lot of puzzle pieces to look at today. And exactly as we predicted, Ethereum testing its previous all-time high, potentially going to break out into price discovery and new all-time highs. And we've been monitoring Ethereum over the last week because of the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. And guess what? We saw a breakout of this extremely important macro resistance level for the Ethereum to Bitcoin chart. And now we are above the previous resistance of this symmetrical triangle, heading towards our target now of 86,000 Satoshis. This is not a surprise for those that have been tuned into our channel. You know, we've been calling out every single play in this market for years now. And Ethereum breaking out here on the Bitcoin pairing, and that's allowing the Ethereum to US dollar price now, you can see above 4,700, coming towards its previous all-time high, potentially ready to continue into price discovery. And I think that that's going to be extremely likely if Bitcoin gets above 58,300 again and stays above 58,300. And so that's why that's the most important resistance level right now. Of course, the next level of support for Ethereum right now to the downside is 43.73. And the longer Bitcoin is below 58,300, we have to still assume 49,700 is on the table, but the bulls are certainly doing their best right now. And that's why 58,300 is more important than ever. If we can get above that level, that's going to assume some strength. Getting below 55,400, that's going to put us below this support level, and that could start indicating signs of potential downside. And remember, we don't want to come back down to this 100-day moving average at 54,300, because knocking on that door for a second time, the likelihood becomes a lot higher that it break. And so at this point, we're seeing the best case scenario, in my opinion. Now we just need to see some volume here on the 6-hour chart. But you can see right now we're seeing less sell pressure, and it didn't take much buy pressure for Bitcoin to get back towards an extremely important levels we talked about yesterday. So 58,300 more important than ever. And this was a late video because I really wanted to monitor Bitcoin's price after it got above 59,000. That was an awesome puzzle piece there because we talked about 58,300 and the importance of that. The fact that we got above it was really cool, but we didn't get that 4-hour snipers confirmation. And that's what we look for here, those full body and wicks above those major levels. And then just to quickly talk about the DXY, we had a huge indecision candle. And so this is going to be a huge puzzle piece, but we're starting to see the S&P 500 react to the recent strength of the dollar, staying above the now support of 95.885. If we get below this level, that would be a huge positive for the cryptocurrency market. But because we've seen this short-term strength for the US dollar, we're starting to see the S&P 500 react to this, coming towards this 50-day moving average right now. This could potentially be a move that's going to continue. US oil being the leading indicator so far, showing a sell-off as of recently from the high $80 levels, now back down to $67. This is a leading indicator. Of course, commodities can give us a little bit of a hint of how the cryptocurrency market's going to react to the US dollar, and of course, the largest traditional market, the S&P 500. And then the gold to Bitcoin chart, still having a cup of coffee at the 50-day moving average. We'll continue to monitor this, and I'll let you snipers know. What an exciting week ahead of us, and I'll see you guys next time. Let's see if we can hit 100 likes on this video. That would make my night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Snipers out.